All right, and we're back. You can see I just have a small piece of tape here covering the area that we're working on. Didn't go all the way down, obviously, because we didn't scrape the whole thing. We're just showing this little section here for today. I do have the primer right here, so I'm going to go ahead and grab the primer and start that. All right, so I have my little paint bucket here. And this is exterior rated primer. Let me go ahead and put on a nice thick coat of primer because this wood is old and it is thirsty. It's going to really soak up this primer. I'm going to go ahead and work it into all these little knots and little notches in the wood and get everything sealed up really, really well. All right, you can see I have this area primed. The only thing we have remaining to do is caulk this line right here between the two pieces of wood. So we're going to go ahead and grab the caulk gun and take care of that. Okay, you can see we're done with the caulking here. If this gap was much bigger than it is, we would want to fill that with some backing material, a backer rod, so that it doesn't chew up as much caulk and our product goes further. The backer material will keep the caulk from sinking down into that gap quite as far. So you can see what this little space does right here. We need to do this all the way around the entire perimeter of the garage door and the entry door to the garage. You can see in the back there. But this is just a little example of what to do to scrape the loose paint on some wood that may be around your house. You can use this same method for the trim around your doors or your windows. A lot of homes today have that trim wrapped in metal, so you don't have to do that in that case. But some older homes like this one, you're going to find wooden trim still around the doors and the windows. So we'll show you what the finished product looks like when we get done. This is Vince with Master Remodelers.